Welcome. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to delete all liked videos on YouTube. So first, you want to open your YouTube app and then click on your profile, which you can see on the upper right corner of your screen, and then scroll down. Then you want to click on settings. Then after that, click on manage all history, and then click on interaction. So you want to click on interaction, then click on video likes and dislikes. And then here you can see all of your liked videos. So if you want to delete all of this, just want to click this X here, then confirm you would like to delete this activity. So click delete, and that's it. All of your liked videos are deleted. I hope this video helps, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.